There, fellow traders, welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, the markets are heating up right now. We have been seeing specific sectors explode over the past few weeks. This is an exciting atmosphere right now. With that being said, we wanted to put KULR back in front of you for tomorrow's session. KULR has been among our most exciting profiles over the past few years. If you have been on the list for a while, you remember this one. You might remember when we profiled this one back in March. It went on to run over 300% in the next few weeks. You may remember this one from late September when we profiled it. If you bought it that day and still hold it, you are up in the neighborhood of around 90%. Not bad for just a couple of weeks. On several other occasions, we saw KULR blast off from its current position on the heels of a major news announcement. KULR has a sufficient number of big-name Fortune 500 companies as partners and clients. Over the past 3 sessions, KULR has made a couple of double-digit solid moves. Is this the next leg up? I don't know, but I'm definitely keeping it at the top of my screen this week. There's also a short in the stock. According to FinViz, 7.28 million shares are short. We could see a big move, especially if the stock keeps climbing and the shorts are forced to cover at higher prices. We also have news in play. After the bell, KULR reported third quarter 2024 financial results. Revenues for the third quarter ending September 30th were $3.19 million compared to $3.04 million reported the same period last year. Cash and accounts receivable as of September 30th were a combined $3.6 million. Gross margin was 71% in the quarter compared to 44% in the same period last year. As you can see, the stock is down after hours, so this could be an excellent opportunity to buy the dip. KULR Technology Group, KULR on the NYSE, develops and commercializes high-performance thermal management technologies for batteries, electronics, and other components in an array of battery-powered applications. As the global economy becomes increasingly electrified and connected, KULR is addressing the rising demand for cooler, lighter, and safer batteries and electronic systems. Leveraging the company's roots in developing breakthrough cooling solutions for NASA space missions and backed by a robust intellectual property portfolio, KULR provides customers with industry-leading battery safety and cost-effective cooling technologies that outperform traditional solutions. The world's leading aerospace, electronics, energy storage, 5G infrastructure, and EV manufacturers trust KULR to ethically, environmentally sustainably solve safety, reliability, and efficiency challenges. Active government initiatives propelled by industry and regulatory tailwinds are increasing demand for battery recycling and clean energy, resulting in an expanding total addressable market for KULR's solutions. The company's disruptive technologies strive to fulfill an addressable $24 billion thermal management systems market. That is based on published by Converged Markets, stating that the thermal management systems market size was projected to grow from $11.1 billion in 2017 to $24.8 billion by 2025. KULR's integrated design approach offers comprehensive solutions in thermal interface materials, lightweight heat exchangers, and protection against lithium-ion battery thermal runaway propagation. Its high-performance solutions can be designed to fit demanding configurations and applications. As companies and governments worldwide pledge to meet net zero emissions over the next few decades, KULR is uniquely positioned to accelerate the adoption of clean energy solutions and sustainable products and facilitate the migration to a global circular economy. The company aims to provide total battery safety solutions for more efficient battery systems, increased sustainability, and end-of-life battery management, making KULR a key technology solutions provider in migrating to a global circular economy. Catalyst, leveraging KULR's roots in developing breakthrough cooling solutions for NASA space missions and backed by a strong intellectual property portfolio, KULR provides customers with industry-leading battery safety technologies and cost-effective cooling technologies that outperform traditional solutions. KULR is currently processing up to 10,000 lithium-ion cells per week and preparing for tests performed by NASA, the Department of Defense, and others conducting manned flight missions. KULR was awarded 3 additional contracts with Department of Defense prime contractors to implement the company's carbon fiber cathode solution for high-power magnetic and other covert pulse weapons initiatives. KULR also secured a new battery safety contract with NASA to test its lithium-ion cells for future battery packs designed for the Artemis program, a series of U.S.-led international human spaceflight programs. KULR recently appointed former NASA Johnson Space Center senior leader Dr. William Walker as Director of Engineering. KULR expects to procure lithium-ion battery cells with a capacity of up to 500 megawatt hours, enough to power approximately 40,000 homes. KULR just received a follow-on phase change material heat sink order from Lockheed Martin. KULR has partnered with Lockheed Martin, Leidos, and other prime contractors to develop and supply mission-critical technologies for hypersonic vehicles, high-power magnetic waves, and other defense systems. KULR's portfolio of thermal management solutions targets air and liquid cooling of high-performance computing applications such as crypto mining, cloud computing, AI, and AR/VR solutions to maximize performance, energy efficiency, and safety. And it says here KULR receives up to $1.5 million satellite battery systems order from South Korea's NARA Space for Artemis II CubeSat mission. The company also landed a $400,000 NASA contract for automated battery cell testing, $2 million in total orders anticipated over several quarters, and the company expanded its U.S. Army battery contract to $2.4 million, paving the way for KULR 1 Guardian battery production in 2025. Don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on KULR, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, RIVN, RIVN is in the news today. The bottom might just be in on the stock. RIVN shares were up over 13% today after the company formally announced an agreement with Volkswagen Group to form a new joint venture following a major partnership earlier in the year. The joint venture will be called RIVN and Volkswagen Group Technologies. It's valued at up to $5.8 billion. It aims to deliver advanced electrical architecture and software for future EVs across all vehicle segments. Headed by Wissam Bensaid from RIVN and Karsten Helbing from Volkswagen, the JV will leverage RIVN's tech stack to support the RIVN R2 launch in 2026 and Volkswagen models in 2027. Engineering teams will initially be based in Palo Alto, California, and further sites are planned in North America and Europe. Notably, over 18% of the float is short. Also, guys, keep your eye on LUNR tomorrow. This is Intuitive Machines, Inc. The company reports earnings before the bell. 31% of the float is short. Another earnings play that I'll be watching Friday morning is Alibaba, which reports before the bell on Friday. Friday is also options expiration, so I am expecting a big move either way. Lastly, guys, keep your eye on Zone. The float is just 1.91 million shares. There has been no insiders. There's just one proposed sale, but there has been no. It's all been major insider buying all year here, even at higher prices: 401, 357, 305. Insiders own over 74% of the company. Lots of chatter on StockTwits tonight. It is going crazy on ZON. It's the time that I started this video, we've had 82 new posts on StockTwits. And the key here is many of the same players who were talking about SUGP Sunday night are now in ZONE. SUGP has been a big winner this week, up 98%. Congrats to all who banked in SUGP this week. And now they're turning their focus to ZONE. Finally, I will also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, guys, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up. You can sign up with your mobile. Text is the fastest, it's easiest. Sign up with your mobile, and you will get that delivered straight to your phone so you can see our latest updates. However, Thursday's primary focus is KULR. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. Good luck to all this for the rest of the week, except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on KULR. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by sell or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.